Hi everybody, today I would like to give you a case study from my clinic. And this case is about a 30 years old lady which is pregnant on her 28th week, and this is her second pregnancy. Both pregnancies were spontaneous and the pregnancy is okay. And now she starts to feel uncomfortable in her waist. She has groin pain, she has lower back pain, and sometimes she starts to feel heartburn. So her tongue is a bit swollen, and her tip is red, and her pulse is soft. Her stools are every other day, and sometimes she has hemorrhoids, but for now they are asymptomatic. The menses were regular, and now her chief complaint is the uncomfortable feeling in her lower jaw and pain in her groin area. From the pulse and the tongue, I understood that she has a spleen Qi deficiency and a little bit of dampness, and also she has kidney Qi deficiency. We know in pregnancy, kidney Qi deficiency is one of the frequent diagnoses that we see. Her lower back pain is one of the symptoms for that. So the points I used are: first, I chose high bow acupuncture points 6601. 6601's reaction area is the liver and the heart. By entering the liver, this point will be a target or a guiding point to the groin pain and this lower jiao area, the pelvic area. High bow will treat vulvodynia, it will treat discomfort in this genital area, so that is why I use the point. When we have vaginal pain or we have vulvodynia, it is very important to choose points that can soothe the liver qi, and high bow is one of these points. It can move qi and move blood, and it also can open the luo channel. In addition to high bow, I added one shun E and one shun R. They are working on the kidney shen jing, and they treat lower back pain. So this combination of the high bow and the one shun E, one shun R will treat the pelvic area and the lower back area. And it soothes a pregnant woman, since pregnancy is one of the reasons for kidney depletion. For her heartburn, please pay attention that this heartburn is not related to stomach fire. This heartburn is related to spleen Qi deficiency. The pulse is soft. She has a wide tongue, so a swollen wide tongue. So it's not a matter of an excess heat, but it's a matter of a spleen depletion. I chose to treat her heartburn with Tongguan, Tongshan, and Tongtian points. These points are points that affect the heart. They are major points for supporting the heart. So why did I choose them? In order to support the spleen. We know from the 5 phases that the fire is the mother of earth. And when I support the fire phase, I support the sun, which is the spleen. And that is why from this strategy, I support the spleen and the stomach. So this is one option to ease her heartburn. Another point which I chose was Menjing 6605. Why? Heartburn is a stomach qi rebellious. It goes up, but we know that stomach should go down, the chi should go down. And in order to bring the stomach chi down, I use the Menjing point. Why? Menjing is located on the distal extremities of the foot. The nature of these points are to clear heat and to expel wind. So when we choose these points, we need to also understand the energetic effect of each acupuncture point. So the indication of the points are not the only importance in order to combine our points for our patients. We need to understand the quality of each acupuncture point. After our first treatment, she mentioned that the pain was reduced in her back and in her groin area. Her heartburn was also reduced. But yesterday, she started to feel it all again, and especially her lower back pain was the main issue. So I wanted to do something else for her on our second meeting, and I chose the arm in order to mirror the leg, her thigh. We know that the shoulder can mirror our thigh. And I chose the 6 shoulder points to relate it to her pelvic and her thigh area. This point will also be good for lower back pain. They are also safe during pregnancy. So that's why I chose the 6th shoulder, since it is a safe treatment that will cover, from a mirroring point of view, the sacral area and the thigh area. For that, I added the Zhengji 4424 acupuncture points, which are located above large intestine 11. This Daoma will treat the Du Mai. Since she has a pain in her lower back and the reason is the kidney deficiency, I added Sheng Guan on her left side with Shui Xiang and Shui Xian acupuncture points. Both points have the word of water, Shui, and we know that water is related to the kidney. The kidney water is all about also the essence. Shui Xiang and Shui Xian will support the essence of the kidneys. So in this way, I also support the pregnancy itself, while I also support the reason for her lower back pain. So first, I choose the source by addressing the kidney with Shengguan and Shui Xiang and Shui Xian, but I also choose to work on the symptoms itself, which is the lower back pain, through the 6 shoulders acupuncture points and the Zhengji points. So when we choose to work with Master Dongs, it is very important not only to choose points that are related to the symptoms, but we need also to consider the root of the cause of this symptom. So in her case, it is the kidney deficiency. She is pregnant, and pregnancy is one of the causes to elaborate kidney qi deficiency. So when you work, you need to work all together, the root and the branch. And this is one of the ways to think about it. So if you want to elaborate your principles and to understand more the theory behind Master Tung's acupuncture, I welcome you to join my new course on this specific topic. In this course, we will understand the basic theory and the rules for Master Tung's system. We will not talk about each acupuncture point's indication. In my opinion, if you have a basic and a wide knowledge of this system, you can apply a better treatment to your patients working with Master Tung's acupuncture points. So continue to do the good job that you do, and I wish you huge success in your clinic.